Hello, gaming enthusiasts and future moneymakers. Have you ever dreamed of earning cash while enjoying your favorite games? Well, it's not just a dream anymore.
Welcome to our exciting journey into the world of play to earn games. From crypto to non-crypto games, we're diving deep into how you can leverage gaming to pad your wallet.
Remember when we talked about maximizing returns in Forex trading? This is similar, but with a fun twist.
Today, we're introducing Sam, a passionate gamer curious about making money through games.
Sam, like you, is eager to understand the nitty-gritty of monetizing gameplay. We're not just talking about playing games, we're talking about mastering them for profit.
If you're ready to transform your gaming skills into a steady income stream, hit subscribe and join us on this rewarding adventure with Millionaire Ventures Online.
Let's turn those gaming hours into earning power. Your journey into profitable gaming starts now. 1. What are play-to-earn games?
Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of play-to-earn games. Unlike typical games, these offer the chance to earn real or digital currency, like Bitcoin, just by playing.
It's a blend of fun and finance.
Spotting play-to-earn games. To identify these games, visit gaming forums, communities, and platforms like Steam or the App Store.
Search for games advertising the opportunity to earn money or digital currencies. Use resources like Play-to-Earn.
Net for listings and reviews to help you pick games that fit your interests.
Understanding the risks, however, it's crucial to be cautious. Some games may overpromise on potential earnings. Always do your research, read reviews, watch gameplay videos, and check player feedback. Watch out for games requiring large upfront investments or those with spammy elements. Managing in-game purchases.
Remember, in-game purchases can quickly escalate.
It's important to budget and avoid spending more than you can afford, ensuring your gaming remains profitable. Conducting a risk-benefit assessment. Weigh the risks against potential benefits. Consider your available time and money for investment and assess the likelihood of earning a return.
This mindful approach helps you enjoy play-to-earn games without unwelcome surprises. Different types of games. Play-to-earn games come in two main types: crypto and non-crypto. Crypto games involve earning digital currencies like Bitcoin, while non-crypto games reward you with points or virtual money, exchangeable for cash or gift cards. Starting with crypto games, begin by creating a digital wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to safely store your earnings.
Games like Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and Splinterlands are popular choices. Step 1. Create your digital wallet. Step 2. Choose a game and link it to your wallet. Step 3. Start playing and earning.
Trying out non-crypto games. For an easier start, try non-crypto games where you perform tasks or play games to earn points. Platforms like Mistplay and Swagbucks are great places to start.
Step 1. Register on platforms offering these games. Step 2. Choose games to play. Step 3. Earn points and convert them into cash or gift cards.
Learning game rules and making your plan. Each game has unique rules and ways to earn. Some require more time but offer higher payouts, while others are quick but pay less. Develop a strategy that suits your schedule and preferences. Joining game groups and tracking your earnings. Join gaming communities on platforms like forums, Discord, or Facebook for insights and tips. Additionally, keep track of your earnings, much like monitoring investments in Forex trading, to understand which games are most profitable for you. By grasping the essence of play-to-earn games, you're not just playing, you're stepping into a world of potential earnings. Harness your gaming skills to earn real rewards and explore these games strategically to maximize your earnings.
2. How to make money from gaming. Remember when we talked about making money with Master Binance and Grow Rich? It's like that, but with games. Playing games to make money is all about being good at the game and making smart choices. Different ways to earn money. There are lots of ways to make money from games. You can play in tournaments and win prizes, finish missions in games to get rewards, or even sell things you find or make in the game. It's like doing business in a game world. Join tournaments. Look for online gaming tournaments that offer cash prizes. Sign up and compete against others. Winning these can give you a nice amount of money. Complete missions. Many games have missions or tasks you can do. When you finish these, you earn rewards that can be turned into real money. Trading in-game items. Some games let you collect items or create things, which you can then sell to other players for real money. Using platforms to make more money. Different platforms help you earn in different ways. For example, Roblox and Second Life. These are places where you can make your own game stuff like clothes or buildings and sell them to other players. Twitch and YouTube. If you're good at games or fun to watch, you can make videos or live stream your gaming on Twitch or YouTube. People watch you play, and you can make money from ads or fan donations. Getting ready. To start earning, you need to set up your game and your way to make money. Set up for tournaments. Find out which games have tournaments and practice to be good at them. Prepare for missions and trading. Choose games where you can earn by doing missions or trading items, and learn how to do these well. Create a channel. If you want to earn from Twitch or YouTube, make your own channel and start making fun and interesting videos about your gaming. Growing your earnings. Just like any job or business, you get better and earn more as you go. Keep playing, keep learning, and try new ways to make money from gaming. As you get better, you can earn more and have even more fun. By following these steps, you turn your gaming from just a hobby into a way to make money. Whether it's winning tournaments, completing cool missions, or showing your gaming skills to the world on YouTube or Twitch, there's a way for everyone to earn. Let's play, have fun, and start making some cash. 3. Maximizing earnings in play-to-earn games. Think of your gaming as your very own shop. You want to make as much money as you can, just like when we learned about boosting online sales and unlocking Shopify success. Choosing games that fit your skills. Pick games that you are really good at, like how you choose the best items to sell in your shop. If you're great at puzzle games, focus on those. Love action games? Go for them. Step 1. Make a list of the types of games you like and are good at. Step 2. Find play-to-earn games that match these types. Play more than one game, don't just stick to one game. Try out several games on different platforms to see which ones you enjoy and can earn from. Step 1. Search for popular play-to-earn games. Step 2. Try playing a few and see which ones you like the best. Use tools to help you. Join gamer chats on Discord to get tips and tricks. If you're streaming games, use Twitch Tracker to see how your streams are doing and what viewers like. Step 1. Join Discord groups related to your favorite games. Step 2. If streaming, set up Twitch Tracker to monitor your performance. 4. Practical steps to start earning through games. Excited to turn your gaming into cash? Here's how to get started. Find the right games for earning. Just like picking the best way to send messages in master SMS marketing, choose games that are known for good earning potential. Step 1. Research games that allow you to earn money. Step 2. Select games that suit your interests and skills. Setting up necessary accounts. Depending on the games, you might need accounts on platforms like Steam, Twitch, or specific game websites. Step 1. Identify which platforms your chosen games use. Step 2. Create accounts on these platforms. Become part of gaming communities. Join online forums or social media groups about gaming to get advice and keep up with the latest news. Step 1. Find online forums or Facebook groups about your chosen games. Step 2. Join these groups and actively participate to learn and share. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making your gaming hobby a source of income. From selecting the right games to joining the right communities, each step brings you closer to earning through gaming. Let's play, learn, and start earning. And there you have it, future gaming tycoons. Just like we've navigated the worlds of digital marketing and online trading, we've now embarked on a journey into the profitable realm of play-to-earn games. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for a fun way to earn some extra cash, the opportunities are endless. Hit subscribe for more insights into turning your passions into paychecks. Remember, in the world of gaming for gains, your strategy, dedication, and enjoyment are your keys to success. Stay tuned with Millionaire Ventures Online as we continue to unlock new paths to financial freedom. Until next time, keep playing, keep earning, and keep winning.